In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Notion or simply looking to streamline your task management, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and create an efficient to-do list to help you stay organized and productive. First things first, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy and quick to sign up, and best of all, it's free for personal use. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your workspace, which is designed to keep all your notes, tasks, and projects in one place. Next, you need to either open an existing page where you want to place your to-do list or create a new page altogether. Creating a new page is as simple as clicking on the New Page option in your workspace. This page will serve as the home for your to-do list. You might want to name it something intuitive like Daily Tasks or Weekly Goals, depending on your needs. With your page set up and ready to go, it's time to add your to-do list. Simply start typing the word to-do and then press enter on your keyboard. This action prompts Notion to instantly generate a checkbox item for you. It's a neat little feature that allows you to convert any bullet point into a to-do item effortlessly. Type in your first task description next to the checkbox. Remember to keep your task descriptions clear and concise so that when you look at your list later, you'll know exactly what needs to be done. After you've typed in your first task, press enter again. This will automatically create another checkbox item directly below the previous one, ready for your next task. Repeat this process for each task you need to add to your list. Feel free to include as many items as your heart desires. Remember that you can revisit your list at any time to add, edit, or even remove tasks altogether as priorities change. Once you've listed all your tasks, your to-do list is ready to use. Simply check the boxes as you complete each task and watch your goals get accomplished one by one. Notion's interface is wonderfully responsive, making task tracking a joy rather than a chore. Keep in mind that this basic to-do list is just the beginning of what you can build in Notion. The platform's flexibility allows you to integrate calendars, reminders, and so much more with just a few clicks. But for now, you've successfully created a practical, straightforward to-do list that will undoubtedly aid in staying on top of your tasks. Happy organizing!